Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just gonna go right into this tutorial of how to transform into an Instagram baddie. First off, I am starting by molding the front of my closure. I am molding it utilizing the Cream of Nature Argan Oil from Moroccan styling mousse, and then I'm going ahead and using the G2B Blasting Freeze Spray to go ahead and lay the closure. Now I'm gonna go ahead and wrap that closure, and then I'm just gonna let it marinate. Now I'm taking a whole spray bottle filled with nothing but water, just pure water, and I'm just drenching the hair. I'm working one section of the hair at a time just to ensure that the hair is completely saturated in water. Now I'm taking my Mielle Pomegranate and Honey leave-in conditioner. I love this stuff for both my natural hair and my wigs, and I'm just raking it through, detangling, and just making sure I'm getting all of that conditioner through there and getting all the knots out. Doing this ensures that the curls stay popping. Now I am going to scrunch. Scrunching is your best friend throughout this whole process. Scrunch, 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 detangle, scrunch. Just scrunch. I promise you. That's what gets these curls to look the way they do. I went ahead and completed the other side of my head, and this is what it all ended up looking like. Then on the ends, I'm going to spray the Argan Oil from Moroccan 5-in-1 leave-in spray. Then I'm going to go in with my mousse, the Argan Oil from Moroccan Style and Shine mousse, and just scrunch it in there. I'm not going to rake it through because that makes the curls fall. Just scrunching, scrunching, scrunching. Now I'm just positioning the hair, making sure everything's tight, and I'm going to let it marinate while I do my makeup. Now onto makeup. I've already put on my primer, which was the Milk Hydro Grip. I put that on off camera, and now I am taking the Sasha Buttercup setting powder. Ensure that like my makeup stays on all day, and ensures that my oil production kind of slows down because I am a very oily girl. Now I'm going to take the Morphe setting mist and just go ahead and set my face. I decided to try something new with my makeup today. I went ahead and put in my concealer first and then contoured first. I don't know. I like it. Kind of like it. Kind of like it. I think I'm going to try it a couple more times to see how I truly feel about it, because I felt like my makeup came out really, really good when I did this process today. I was having a bit of struggle with the hair, so I went ahead and readjusted my scarf just so I could probably do my makeup. I could properly do my makeup without my hair getting in my face. And now I'm just going to take some random e.l.f. contour brush. The handle broke off, but the bristles are still intact, so I am going to use this brush till the wheels fall off. And I'm just going to blend, chisel out those cheeks, create a jawline, because your girl's been eating a lot. Quarantine has made her gain some weight, so like I want to look snatched. So like contouring is pero like the way to go, sweetie. So go ahead and contour. Took some of that leftover product into my nose, didn't grab any new product for my nose contour. Now I'm gonna go ahead and spray my beauty blender with setting spray and go ahead and blend that out some more just to make it seamless. And the beauty blender I'm using is the Real Techniques blending sponge. Now I'm going to take a random Eco Tools brush just to kind of blend out underneath my under eyes. I do this because it just helps I don't know how to say it. It just gives longevity to the product. Like the product isn't being soaked up by the sponge. So after I blend out a little bit, then I take the sponge to blend it out completely. And now I'm going to color correct. I meant to do that before all the other steps, but it's still getting done. Missed the spot, but you know, I eventually noticed it. Look at that. I noticed it. Now we go ahead and go in with our foundation, and the foundation I'm using is the Tarte Foundcealer. Is a multitasking foundation with SPF. Went ahead and blended that in with the Morphe one of my Morphe brushes. Let me figure out which one it was. I went ahead and blended that in with the Morphe M439 brush. Love that brush for blending in foundation. And then I went ahead and deepened my contour just a little bit. As you can see, I just put like a little dab just closer to my hairline just so it could deepen it out a bit. And I blend that out. Now I'm going to go in with a blending sponge and spray that with my setting spray just to make everything melt together. Just go all over. There's really not like a method to that. Just go all over, make everything blend. Now I'm taking my Sasha Buttercup and I'm blowing on it to just get like a very, very nicely thin layer. And I just cover my whole face. Little dance party. I don't know what I was listening to, but your girl was lit. Now I'm going to go in with my Jacklyn Hill Morphe palette. And I'm just going to insert clips of the shades I'm using because the palette, I got the original version. So if you know that the original version did not come with names inside of the packaging, so I don't remember any of the names off the top of my head. But I do have, like, I will insert pictures and circle out which color I'm using at one point. And all of the eyeshadow brushes I am using today are all from BH Cosmetics. I think I bought them like my freshman year of college, and mind you, I'm a senior now. I bought them my freshman year of college on BH Cosmetics website, and so I think they came in like a package deal or something. But yeah, just all my eyeshadow brushes are BH Cosmetic brushes. Now my eyeshadow is all done. I took this moment to decide what I wanted to do with my eyes. I decided I wanted to put on some eyeliner and some lashes. I went ahead and did that off camera. I'm eventually gonna do a video on how I do my eyeliner for hooded eyes, so be on the lookout for that for those of y'all with hooded eyes. And now I'm just taking some random like fluffy brush and I'm just blending everything together, just dusting away all of the powder and like using my Mercier in the dark, medium, deep to just blend everything out. Now I'm taking a shade from the Jacklyn Hill palette to go ahead as my contour shade. I haven't found a contour powder that successfully contours for me, so I just use the shade from the Jacklyn Hill palette and it works for me. And like I said, anything from the Jacklyn Hill palette, I'll go ahead and put it on the screen and circle which one I'm using. Now I am highlighting, and I am highlighting using a e.l.f. highlighting brush, and now I am putting on some blush, and the blush also comes from the Jacklyn Hill palette. It's just an eyeshadow that I use as blush. Now I am setting my face with the setting mist from Morphe. Let that dry, and then I just take my beauty blender and I'm just gonna blend everything out. Now I'm gonna just take some random lip liner. I'm pretty sure I got it from the beauty supply store. Just go ahead and take that, line my lips. And then for lip gloss, I'm gonna go in with the NYX Butter Gloss in gloss. I just went in with the NYX Butter Gloss in Vanilla Cream Pie. I love that. It's just a pretty shade of pink, and that was the final look. Now I'm going to go ahead and take off my scarf. My hair is marinated. Now I'm just going to do some final molding of the closure to just make sure everything looks how I want it to look. Don't be an idiot like me. Make sure you pull up the wig and it covers all of your actual hairline. This is a constant struggle with me because the way my hairline is set up, like some pits are further back than others, so like it's a mess. But yeah, this is the final look, and hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to check out my other content as you can see here on the screen, and also don't forget to subscribe. Thank y'all for watching and have a great rest of your evening. Bye.